If your company announced layoffs tomorrow, would you be safe? Most people think, I'll just work harder, stay late, be a team player. But in 2026, that's not how it works anymore. The people getting protected aren't the ones working 60 hours. They're the ones who know how to use AI to do the work of 3 people in 40 hours. Today, I'm breaking down 5 specific AI skills that make you way harder to fire. Stick around to the end, and I'll give you a simple 30-day plan to build all 5, even if you're not a tech person. Here's what's actually happening right now. Big companies are cutting tens of thousands of jobs. Not just factory workers, white-collar people, managers, coordinators, analysts. At the same time, more and more companies are quietly rolling out AI agents and automation behind the scenes. So here's the uncomfortable truth. They're not just asking, who works hard? They're asking, who helps us do more with less? And the people who know how to drive AI, they save time, they save money, and they look impossible to replace. That's the game now. Your job security is no longer about your title, it's about your outcomes. These 5 AI skills are how you increase those outcomes fast. Skill number 1, AI prompting for real workflows. Typing, write me an email is not a skill. Anyone can do that. The actual skill is turning your real job tasks into reusable prompt systems. Example, instead of write an email about a project delay, you say, act as a senior project manager. I need to email my client about a 5-day project delay. Write an email that 1. Explains the delay without over-apologizing. 2. Gives a new timeline with specific dates. 3. Lists 3 action items. Keep it under 150 words. Professional, but confident. See the difference? You're telling AI the role, the context, the constraints, and the tone. Action step for you. Tonight, write down 3 tasks you repeat every single week at work. Emails, reports, meeting notes, whatever. For each one, build a detailed prompt like that and save it. That's your starter prompt library for your job. You do this and you're already ahead of 90% of your coworkers. Skill number 2, turning messy data into decisions. Most people drown in spreadsheets and reports. They open the file and check out. Layoff-resistant people use AI to make sense of it and recommend what to do next. Take any report you get at work. Sales numbers, support tickets, survey results. Drop it into AI and ask, summarize the top 3 trends in this data. For each trend, explain why it matters in plain English. Then give me 3 specific actions we should take next month based on this. Now, you're not just looking at data. You're coming to your boss with, here's what's happening and here's what we should do. Action step, next time you get a report, don't just forward it. Run it through AI, pull out 3 trends, 3 actions, and share that with your team. That's the kind of person managers fight to keep. Skill number 3, AI-powered process automation. Without coding. If you can take a boring manual process and turn it into a semi-automatic system, you're saving your company hours every week. You don't have to be an engineer. You just need to think in simple, when this happens, then do that steps. Examples, when a customer email comes in, AI drafts a reply, you just review and send. End of each day, AI summarizes your meetings and updates a shared doc. Every Friday, AI pulls data from a sheet and creates a status report. Action step, pick 1 task you hate doing repeatedly. Brainstorm an automation with AI. Test a tiny version this week. Even a 20% automation is a huge signal that you think in systems, not just tasks. Skill number 4, communication and storytelling with AI. Here's a hard truth. If you can't communicate your value, people underestimate your value. AI can help you sound clearer, more confident, and more persuasive without being fake. Example, you draft an email to your boss. Then you paste it into AI and say, improve this email, make it 1, shorter, 2, clearer, 3, highlight the impact on revenue, time saved. Keep my voice casual but professional. Or for a presentation, turn these bullet points into a 2-minute story so people care about this project. Now you're not sending walls of text, you're sending sharp, strategic communication. Action step, before your next important email, run your draft through AI. Compare the before and after. Start doing that every time something really matters. Skill number 5, building AI-powered assets that other people depend on. This is where you move from good employee to person we can't lose. Think, templates your whole team uses, dashboards that auto-update, little internal tools like an FAQ bot for new hires or a report generator. You're using the first 4 skills, prompts, data, automation, communication, to create things that keep delivering value even when you're not there. Action step, ask yourself, what's one annoying problem my team or boss keeps complaining about? Take that to AI and ask, give me 5 ways I could solve this using AI prompts, automations, or templates. Pick the simplest one and outline how to build it in 7 days. Then commit to building a tiny version this month. You don't need permission to start sketching it out. You just need initiative. Let's make this real with a 30-day plan. Week 1, prompting. Every day, turn one recurring task into a detailed prompt. By the end of the week, you have 5 to 7 prompts saved. Week 2, data to decisions. Take 2 different reports and run them through AI using that 3 trends, 3 actions approach. Week 3, automate one task. Pick one boring process and build a tiny automation, even if it only saves 10 minutes. Week 4, build one asset. Use everything you've learned to create one thing your team can use. A template, a simple dashboard, a mini bot, whatever fits your job. If you do that, in 30 days, you're not the person who might get replaced by AI. You're the person who knows how to use AI to make everyone else better. AI isn't coming someday. It's already inside your company whether you see it or not. You can either wait and hope your name doesn't end up on the layoff list, or you can become the person your company can't afford to lose. If you want me to turn this into a free checklist you can follow at work, drop layoff proof in the comments so I know. And if you want specific prompts and real examples you can literally copy-paste at your 9-5, watch this video next. I'll link it on screen and in the description. I'll see you there. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.